How to change username on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm here with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change your username on your Reddit account. For that, you'll have to open any new browser on your device and at the address bar, type reddit.com to enter the official website of Reddit. Now, press enter to browse it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach this interface of Reddit. Here, at the top right, you will find various icons. Click on your profile icon and from the drop-down menu, click on View Profile. You will be taken to your profile page. Here, at the right side, you will find the Settings section from where you can see the Edit Profile option next to your profile. Click on this Edit Profile option, and then you will be taken to this page. Here, at the right top, you will find a dialog box asking you if you want to change or keep that username. Here, you will find the Change Username option. Click on this Change Username option, and from here, now you can change your username. You can also select from one of them and also refresh to find the new username that you may like. If you don't like it from here, you can also clear the first one and type the one you want to change to here. If you see this blue check mark at the right side of your new username, then it means you can use this username. If in case you didn't see the blue mark, you'll have to customize it further. After adding your new username, click on this Continue button, and now click on this Save Username. Then you have successfully changed the username on your Reddit account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.